Beautiful babes, if enlarged pores and dull skin are showing up more than you like, this simple DIY clay mask is about to be our new go-to. I said our because these pores are out of control. They are totally living on my face rent-free. I can't have that. So this pore tightening facial uses kaolin clay, green tea, and honey to gently detox, smooth, and hydrate mature skin without overdrying. Now, this is perfect for us women, 40, 50, 60, whoever, who want tighter looking pores, smoother texture, and that natural glow. Let me stop talking and get right into it. Because, baby, this mask snatches them in 10 minutes. Beautiful babes, if your pores look bigger than you like, this right here is your fix. Listen, all you need is 1 tablespoon of kaolin clay, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Now let me tell you why this works. That clay pulls dirt and oil out of those pores. The green tea is packed with antioxidants to give you that glow, and honey keeps your skin soft so you don't dry out. Now, all you have to do is mix these ingredients until they're smooth and creamy, not too thick, not too runny. Now simply apply a thin layer. You don't have to cake it on. I went ahead and went in pretty good, so I didn't have anything left over. But listen, do not let this dry all the way on mature skin. It's not necessary, okay? Now, just leave it on, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. And then rinse with lukewarm water. And baby, your skin is going to feel tighter, smoother, and look more refined instantly. This is how you get that spa look without spending spa money. Now, you can do this mask 1 to 2 times a week and watch those pores look smaller and your skin start glowing. Now, beautiful babes, y'all know what to do, right? Yeah, you gotta follow me for more glow secrets. All right, beautiful babes. We are glowing, we are growing, and we are taking care of the skin at any age. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. And I love hearing from you. So don't forget to share this with somebody who needs this glow up in their life. And listen, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment with me right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Everything I used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. Yes, your girl may earn a small commission, but it does not cost you anything extra. And always, this is DIY and educational content only, so make sure you patch test, take care of your beautiful skin, and do what works best for you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay blessed, and keep that sweet angel glow shining from inside out.